In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manually set your time zone on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Open that up. On the left panel, scroll down and select System Preferences. On the right side, underneath Date and Time, you want to select where it says Time Zone. Go ahead and select that. And then select the Choose from List option, and then click the drop-down. Select the appropriate time zone from the list, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.